Hello guys, I've got the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. This is Samsung's latest phone. Just doing an unboxing now, I'm a bit late, but still can be done. But yeah, here it is. So this is, yeah, it's a nice packaging, as you can see. Slim as well, because you're not getting a plug, which is the only downside. So yeah, this is basically the new S22, which you can actually call the Note as well. Well, this one is it's 12 gig of RAM and it's the 1 TB version. So yeah, a lot of storage for a lot of pictures and videos. Definitely need that. But yeah, if we get straight into it, quickly cut this. Give me one. It's quite tough. There we go. Okay. So this box is just like my my S21 Ultra's box. So same kind of box. So firstly we're presented with the phone. Shiny and dusty already, but okay. Okay, we'll get straight to that in a minute. Let's see what's in the box. Okay, so you get the pin for your SIM card. Unfortunately not micro SD, so you can't expand it, but 1 TB is enough. Yeah, let's see what else is in here. So if you open this, let's see. Okay, instructions and the Type-C charger, Type-C to Type-C, okay. And that's about it. So yeah, okay, that's it. Simple. Okay, let's move that aside. Let's have a look at this. Wow, in real life, well, that's quite big actually as well. Feels nice. The quality as well, especially. But yeah, it just looks exactly like a Note. Okay, there's the camera. Wow, the lenses are so big. But I think they're the actual same, actually similar to the S21 camera. It's just it does have that metal bracket there. But in real life, it actually doesn't look that bad. It looks alright. But once you take that off, it's all going to be clear anyway. But yeah, it's not that bad. The sides are shiny as well. Quickly zoom up here. There's the lens. It's the proper big zoom lens there. Look at that. I mean, you can see the quality. You can feel the quality for an expensive phone as well. There's the SIM tray here, and the pen. But it's a dual sensor SIM as well, which is alright. There we go. That's the pen. So with a matte effect, so you can just quickly pick it out and put it back in and out. There you have it. Loudspeakers it will have. Dolby Atmos. Just looking here. Just thinking, where's the speaker here? I think it's very narrow right there. It's quite, well, it's amazing. But yeah, there you have it, guys. Like I said, let's say if I turn it on, everything's all going to be the same, just like the other Samsung. But what we can do, quickly turn it on now, actually have a quick look. But yeah, it's actually not bad. Got screen protectors to put at the back as well, and the front and the case, so I'll do that later. But what I'm gonna say is, with this Samsung, yes, these Samsung phones are good anyway. So I would say it will have all the S21 stuff anyway, like the screen quality, everything. It's just different processor and different chassis because of the Note kind of chassis. But that's pretty much it. But oh, that looks nice. But I'm just shocked, my lenses are just so big. But yeah, there you have it, guys. Can put English, hopefully it'll come, but it's a nice size display, you can't go wrong with that. But yeah, it's just my quick video. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Like and subscribe for more new content coming soon. Thanks.